Hi, my name is Dilip Thakur and welcome to my channel, and today I have brought a poem which deals with the urgent necessity of today's life. As you know, in the post-COVID world, things have drastically changed. The things that we always took for granted are very, very dangerous in the current situation. As you already know, there are millions of people already infected with this coronavirus, and many have already lost their lives. So in this changed situation and a new normal, there is one absolutely essential tool that we have in our hand that can protect or shield us from the bad effects of this COVID, and that is the mask. If you look at mask, it appears just like a piece of cloth, but actually this mask can save millions of lives. It has been found scientifically that by wearing mask, the coronavirus droplets which may come out of the COVID patients always diminish very much. That's why by simply making this habit or forming this habit of wearing mask whenever we step out of our houses, we can really reduce the chance of contracting this disease to a maximum extent. So it is no longer simply a piece of cloth, but it's a safety net, it's a shield which can protect our bodies. And in this prevailing situation, when the whole world is grappled with this problem, we can stay safe by simply wearing mask. So this poem is all about mask, why it is necessary, and how it can really serve our interest and save our lives in this difficult time. So here is the poem. Why only I should wear mask? In prevailing situation, you should never ask. Whenever go out, it's safety all about. It's the need of the hour to perform this task. From the nearby shop you early get, immediately after on the mouth properly set. Don't have illusion about virus's intrusion. Those who had lost their lives bet. When purpose is served, wash or dispose. This is what is needed after every dose. Following precaution, handle situation, then no danger that used mask will pose. Mask is necessity, keep it in your mind. By using them become wise and so kind. Prevention is better in the spirit and letter. To this age-old saying, never turn eye blind. In this new normal and the changed atmosphere, all your lifestyle needs to change here. In the post-COVID world, challenges it has hurled, demand being cautious, keeping mask always near. So these were some lines which underlined the need for wearing mask in this current situation, which is extremely dangerous, which is very risky for many people. So this simple tool called mask can really save our lives and can also protect the lives of others. So I hope that you must have liked this poem, and do wear mask whenever you step out of your house, and that way you can ensure your safety as well as the safety around you. So if you have liked this poem, please share it with as many people as possible, and do let me know your comments, and very important, do subscribe to our channel so that you get the information about new videos at the earliest. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe always. Thank you.